Hello. So today we are going to attempt to apply this wig. It is a quote unquote 360 wig, and I say quote unquote because there's a 13x4 piece of lace in the front and then a small piece in the back. It is actually not completely around the head, and I did not know that there was a difference until I saw someone else's review on this exact same wig, just in a different color. But this is a Zury Sis wig. I do not know the length. If I remember correctly, I've thrown the packaging away. It wasn't on the package, but it hangs about mid-back on me, and I'm only 5'4". So see, there's the lace in the front and the back. And as I went to flip it on my head, I realized there was 2 combs in the front. There's also a comb in the back. This is the color 3T flower. It goes from like a dark blue purple at the roots into a pink into a yellow. And the yellow is what caught my attention because I saw a yellow wig pre-quarantine in another beauty supply and was like, oh, that's the bomb. But I was like, nah, I'm not gonna get it. And then I was like, damn it, I should have gotten it. But that beauty supply is closed, so I couldn't go back and get it. And the beauty supply that I got this in is open. So I was like, boom, mine. It is a synthetic human hair blend. At least that's what it says, and it can take heat. I haven't put heat on it yet. But here you see I'm taking Got to Be Glued freeze spray because this is what I've seen across the internet on top of the bold hold, but I didn't want to try bold hold, plus I didn't want to order anything on the internet. I hate waiting. So this was available, I believe, at my Walmart or Target. Just blow drying on cool. I also had to research that all this time. I thought people were out here blow drying this on like heat, and it was like, y'all out here burning your foreheads. But I finally found a video where somebody said that they actually use it on cool. So boom. Trying to cut the lace. When I tell y'all, this was a struggle. You will see in the video how much I struggled with this. But I just started in the middle. I hadn't yet glued down the sides. Also, my thing is I don't have a very large forehead, so I didn't want to bring it down too far and take away any of my minimal forehead space I have. And it you'll see how it kind of didn't work. So I had to get that hair up and out. And looking at this footage, I was like, yo, this is really cute up in a bun. But I ended up wearing it down. But here I'm just trying to get my left side down and taking the same steps I took in doing the front. I believe I did 2 or 3 layers all around. Now here, I felt that I had glued down too far down the lace, and so I went back with a alcohol dipped Q-tip and kind of undid some lace so that I could go and cut it off. you can see all of this, and I can't seem to get any further back, and I couldn't pull the wig any further forward. So like these are my natural edges, and I really want to take the lace up and around because I'm not really big on baby hair, so I had no intention of cutting baby hairs out of my hairline of the wig. Like, this is way harder than people on the internet make it seem, and I feel so challenged. Like, I've literally been filming for 30 minutes and I'm not satisfied, and this is a 360 wig. I still have to do the back, so hopefully that's a little easier because it's far less lace. And from the videos I watched yesterday trying to figure this out, the 360 or the back, you kind of just have to cut it in a straight line. It doesn't necessarily have to be as detailed as this. But yeah, this isn't going as planned, and I'm frustrated. So here I attempted to do the back, but when it was all said and done, I got more hairspray on the hair than I did the lace. So that's why I ended up later on in that day not wearing it up in a ponytail. It's like I had every intention of wearing it up in a ponytail. That's kind of, you know, the purpose or the upside of getting a 360 wig. Now I'm just trying to figure out how I wanted to style it. So I just did my right side part like I do on my natural hair. And kept it pushing. So I actually really like it, but you can still see the lace. Like, I don't know how to do this. But it's actually, sorry, there's a hair. There's a hair over my eye, but it's cute. I kind of brushed the curls out. It's really long for me. I don't let my natural hair get like past here, so. But it's cute. I'm actually getting ready to go to my sister's house, and I'm dreading the judgment that is going to be across her face, her kid's face, her husband's face. And I'm just like not here for it. So, but it turned out cute. I just got to figure out how to not see the lace, but whatever.